Hello, everyone. It's great to be here at Executive Leaders at Pelican Hill. I'm Dave, the SVP and GM of Marketplace at Upwork, and I lead the core product, engineering, design, and product marketing team for the web and mobile platform. If you're not familiar with Upwork, which many of you may not be, it was created following the merger of Elance and Odesk in 2013 and went public in 2018. Today, we're the world's largest work marketplace, connecting businesses with skilled independent talent from around the world. Our talent pool spans 125 different categories with more than 10,000 skills for hire. And we facilitated $25 billion in freelancer earnings across 180 countries. We today have 800,000 active clients, and we generate $4 billion in GSV every year. And yes, because I'm here, I'll tell you, our entire business runs on AWS. I'm going to tell you a little story today about how we transformed Upwork into an AI-powered company. So historically, Upwork's been fueled by kind of the post-pandemic norm, distributed teams working remotely. Early 2023 was different. Like many of you, we were really blindsided by the potential of Gen AI in a big way. We're in the people business, and people were talking about AI disrupting the ways of work. And so by Q2 of that year, you started hearing in earnings reports and whatnot the potential of Gen AI to cannibalize traditional core businesses. I won't refer to any, but there were several earnings reports that came out and companies that were impacted. So we knew as a leadership team that we faced a really critical strategic choice. We needed to embrace Gen AI or risk a massive disruption to our core business. And that's the one that I'm accountable for. So this was really a personal strategic challenge for me. You've heard a little bit about digital native upstarts disrupting traditional businesses. Well, it was increasingly clear that Gen AI was going to disrupt the working models at an unprecedented scale and pace. And so we knew we had to get ahead of it. Our AI imperative was to get laser focused, understand the potential impact on our business, and define our strategy. We created kind of a new North Star to transform our two-sided marketplace into a multi-sided marketplace where AI facilitates matching between clients and freelancers, and eventually agents can operate on our platform. We basically wanted to do two things. One, drive better business outcomes for our customers, whether delivered by humans or humans plus machines, or someday even machines prompted by humans in the loop. And two, we wanted to sort of morph our marketplace into becoming the premier destination to find and hire AI expertise for our customers to drive their own AI projects. We knew we were onto something as more and more clients were coming to Upwork and looking to bridge the gaps between the in-house technical capabilities they had with AI experts that they could hire on our platform. We have a research institute that does surveys of employers in the US and around the world. And one of the key data points was 63% of employers cite the lack of AI skills as a major barrier to adoption by the business. Companies say we don't have the right people to embrace AI. And nearly half of those were already using freelancers to bridge the skills gap, but 48% of CEOs actually plan to increase freelance hiring in the next year. So what did we do? By the summer of 23, we launched an AI services hub to showcase on-demand access to our talent. We, by the way, are also a customer of Upwork because we hired a lot of engineering, software, AI, design talent off of our platform. We're 600 full-time employees and about 2,000 people at the company, largely hired off our own platform. To move even faster, we actually tried to accelerate things by doing our first acquisition in November of 2023. We acquired a company called Headroom. It's an AI-powered real-time video collaboration platform, co-founded by Andrew Rabinovich, who was the head of AI at Magic Leap, and now he leads all of our AI and ML engineering and infrastructure at Upwork. Less than a year later, we also acquired Objective AI, a group of ex-Apple engineers, to help us modernize our search tech stack and to drive AI match between clients and freelancers. So the combination of talent that we sourced and hired from our own marketplace, plus these talent acquisitions, they solidified our AI infrastructure and roadmap and accelerated our push to really infuse AI across the platform, leading to the introduction of Uma. What the heck is Uma? Uma is Upwork's Mindful AI. This was publicly launched about a year ago with a couple of key use cases, and now we're infusing Uma all across the platform. It's a conversational companion that powers several of our key workflows on the marketplace. We call it Mindful AI to really reflect our commitment to responsible AI principles, which we've also published externally. And what differentiates Uma is the high-quality training data on our platform that we use to tune our models and support specific use cases. Uma is leveraging trillions of tokens of behavioral data and a range of interactions that happen every day on our platform that are feeding our real-time custom models to get tuned. Our teams have also developed custom algorithms to generate synthetic data based on tens of thousands of these historical events that are happening every day. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. One of the first applications that we developed was a job post generator. The job post on Upwork is effectively like the atomic unit. It's the thing that a client will post to attract a freelancer to a job. And Job Post Generator takes the work out of posting a job. Writing the draft post, applying tags so the post is discoverable in search, highlighting skills and price. We also introduced a proposal review tool for clients to analyze and compare freelancer proposals. So Uma effectively is recommending the best match. So the post and proposal review, those are critical parts of the overall match, where AI reduces friction and makes them more efficient. For freelancers, Uma simplifies tasks like building these proposals. They used to spend a lot of time writing proposals and sending 20 or 30 proposals to try and find the right work on the platform. They use the proposal writing to create content, even write code sometimes, to streamline workflows, save time, so that freelancers can focus on delivering higher value tasks. Proposal writing also helps freelancers create more customized proposals faster, based on the proposals that they have proven, or that have proven more effective on Upwork. So we're actually making suggestions for this is the type of structure, or this is the type of proposal that'll help you win more work. So a couple of quick takeaways and impacts on of our effort, and this is over the last year or so. We're still early days. We're seeing promising signs that these initiatives are having an impact on the business, not just in terms of efficiency on the platform. For example, 70% of new clients opt into Uma-powered Job Post Generator, and that yields an 8% higher job fill rate. That's one of our key leading metrics. When a job gets filled and a contract starts, we can predict how we're going to capture revenue. I care about that. We saw a 340% increase in engagement with Uma in our Hero module, so the top module on our homepage. We've seen a 25% increase year over year in GSV for AI-related work, so we are attracting clients that want to hire that kind of talent. And we've seen a 42% increase in clients engaging with AI projects. So if that's any indicator for the speed with which the market is changing and the demand for AI services, we think it's a healthy direction for the future of our business. So I'll close out. I'm pretty quick today, but I'll close out with a couple of lessons learned since we did our AI pivot. One, we decided to move, and we moved fast, but we anchored our AI strategy on driving business value. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and the demos, but grounding AI investment in core use cases to drive efficiency and better user experience is the name of the game. Flexible talent solutions. Many of you may or may not be thinking about flexible talent solutions, but how you can augment your in-house teams. You don't need an army of AI engineers in-house, but the most adaptable companies today are rethinking how to combine the right skills with the right tech, and then where to find that. And then finally, embracing the new ways of working. I think the future of work will be a powerful combination of human expertise powered by AI. I don't believe AI is going to replace people, but the people who embrace AI are going to outperform those who don't. So the competitive advantage is in how you combine judgment and expertise with the power of AI. So making sure your teams are equipped, trained, and supported to work with AI, not against it. So we talk a little bit about the AI plus human opportunity and how that will continue to evolve. As freelancers upskill and AI systems become smarter and agents start to operate more autonomously, our job is to push the bounds of what AI can do for customers, making it easy for them to find each other, making it easier to get work started, be more productive, collaborate on higher value strategic work that humans are best suited for. The future of work isn't AI or people. It's both artificial and human intelligence. And when we combine speed and scale of AI with the judgment and creativity and adaptability of people, we can unlock better outcomes for businesses, whether it's freelancers, clients, or even entire segments of industry. Thank you very much.